right here at LoanDepot Park. We just performed the Haitian National Anthem and it was amazing. I am so happy to have the opportunity to represent my country. And the music is about to start. It's about to go down. All right, everyone, we are right here at the park. It is an amazing feeling to be here. God said your gift will make room for you, and automatically, with our country, we are right here. This is Port-au-Prince, Haiti. This is my heart. This is everything that needs to be going on right now. We sung the Haitian National Anthem, and I am so happy and preserve the space that we are in right now. So I am happy that today we are right here at this park, LoanDepot Park, singing the Haitian National Anthem all the way.